So in this unit we are coming across 6 types of intervals, namely 0, 2 pi, 0, 2l, minus pi, pi, minus l, l, 0, pi and 0, l. Here these two are known as half range series, and here this is called odd or even function. Odd or even function. So this is with the period 2 pi and 2 pi 2l, a series with period 2 pi and 2l. So generally you will have a confusion what will come, what constant will come in front of the integral for a0, an and bn. So it is quite easy and simple. If it is enough, if you put 2 by b minus a integral a to b f of x dx in case of a0. Now let us look on to what is a and b. So a is the lower limit and b is the upper limit. So for this particular interval a, b, so 0 is the lower limit and 2 pi is the upper limit. So therefore 2 by, here b is 2 pi minus 0 integral 0 to 2 pi f of x dx. So this is the way you have to understand this formulation. So which is equal to 2 by 2 pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x dx. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Therefore a0 is equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x dx. As well for an it will be 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x cos nx dx. Similarly for bn it will be 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x sin nx dx. Is that okay? Now let us consider odd or even function. So whenever you come across minus pi and minus l, that is pi and l type, especially minus pi, pi and minus l, l type, it is a compulsion for you to verify whether the given function f of x is odd or even. So after checking the formula, it is as usual you need to apply the same formulation. So therefore a0 is equal to 2 by, now we are considering let us assume minus pi, pi. Here the lower limit is minus pi and the upper limit is pi plus pi. So b minus of minus a integral minus pi to pi f of x dx. So therefore 2 by pi minus of minus pi is pi plus pi. So minus pi to pi f of x dx, which is equal to 2 by 2 pi integral minus pi to pi f of x dx. Here in this problem you will be checking for the given function is odd or even. So after checking, what you have to do is you need to apply the properties of integral. So you know that there is a property minus a to a can be written as 2 times integral 0 to a. So using that, now the current a0 will be 1 by pi into 2 times integral 0 to pi f of x dx. Similarly, an will be 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx, and bn will be 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx. So you know well, if a function f of x is odd, then a0 and an will become 0. We need to find bn alone. If f of x is even, then bn will become 0 and we need to find a0 and an. Okay, so you also should understand this. Now for half range series, the formula will not differ. So for minus pi, pi and minus l, l, the formula we are using for this type is one and the same for this type also. So if you want, I will check here. See, if you consider 0, pi. So here a0 will be 2 by, here this is a and b. So therefore pi minus 0 integral 0 to pi f of x dx. So which is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x dx. So there is nothing specific to simplify. So if you observe, you will understand 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x dx. Here also 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x dx. So there isn't any much difference in the formula of both the types, that is minus pi comma pi and 0 comma pi. Though it is named as half range series, that is 0 comma pi is named as half range series, there isn't any difference in the formula. So this is the way you need to understand this formulation. You should never forget this formulation. If suppose any doubt occurs, you can use this formulation in order to resolve it.